Before you go spend a lot of money, watch this video first. See, I'm trying to open my garage. I've been having problems like this going on for about a year. I've tried everything. I've tried batteries, bought new remote controls. I've done a lot of things. Then I went on YouTube and watched a couple of videos. One guy said about extending the antenna. I tried that and I thought it would work. It worked for a couple of times and it stopped. But then I watched another video and he said you need to change your LED lights. Do not use LED lights. And I completely took the lights out, the LED lights I was using, and my garage door opener worked perfectly. I went 2 houses down and tried it, and it worked great. So I put some regular light bulbs in it, and it continued to work. So the LED light was causing some kind of frequency interference. I did a little research. It did cause frequencies, so do not use LED lights in your garage door opener because it will mess up the frequencies and you won't be able to open and close your garage. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.